We are sorry to interrupt your program on this Clay Ranger 503 network channel. The following is an emergency alert system bulletin. This is not a test. Important details will follow. The National Weather Service in northwestern city, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern County until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 9:35 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and high winds in excess of 88 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles southwest of Jonesburg or about 3 miles northeast of Central City. This storm will be near Eastport City by 10:25 a.m., Jonesburg by 11:20 a.m., Southeastern Town by 11:55 a.m., Central City by 12:25 p.m., Hansville by 12:50 p.m., Northwestern City by 1:15 p.m., and South Hamilton by 1:30 p.m. Remember, thunderstorms are one of nature's number one killers. If you are caught outside, seek shelter immediately. As a last resort, seek shelter in a reinforced building. Repeat, the National Weather Service in northwestern city, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning effective until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.